Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After applying basic form customization to a template in the Basic Customization window, you can click the Additional Customization button to set additional form customization options within the Additional Customization window. The Additional Customization window uses several tabs to display different sets of options for customizing various sections of the selected type of form. Each area within the form is represented by a tab. Click the name of the tab that corresponds to the area of the form you would like to customize. Next, check or uncheck the checkboxes next to the names of the fields underneath the Screen and Print columns to show or hide their display within both the screen version of the form, where you perform data entry, and the print version of the form, which is the version that you print. Enter the titles you want to display for those fields into the adjacent text boxes. You can have a field that appears in one version of the form but not the other if desired. For example, if you have a custom field you want to display within the screen version so you can enter or view information, but you don't want the customer to see that information within the printed version, then select the Screen checkbox for that field and clear the Print checkbox. For any tabs that display columnar information, like the Columns tab that appears when customizing an invoice form, you can change the order that the columns are displayed from left to right within the line item area of the form by typing a number into the Order field. The columns will be arranged and displayed left to right within the form from the lowest number to the highest number. To apply print settings to the printed version of the template, click the Print tab. On this tab you can specify default print settings for the template if desired. After applying any additional customization to the form template, you can click the Layout Designer button to arrange the form elements shown within the printed version of the form template by using the Layout Designer window. Alternatively, you can simply click the OK button to return to the Basic Customization window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.